Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From on ear device, on know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, a local human rights group is urging Prime Minister Andrew Holness to reconsider his decision to put on hold the construction of a maximum security prison and instead make it a top priority. The Prime Minister, in the wake of the August 11 mass killing at Cherry Tree Lane in Clarendon, which left 8 persons dead, revived the issue about the need for the construction of a new prison following disclosure that incarcerated persons were involved in the organization of the deadly attack. So my wisdom warriors, human rights group urges Prime Minister Andrew Holness to reconsider construction delay. You know, we not understand. You know how much prison there in Jamaica? You know how much prison? My wisdom warriors there in Jamaica? Remember, see a 3 prison Andrew Holness a building now. Remember, see a 3 prison. Even though I'm a tell lie about headquarters, listen. From you have a holding cell where I go hold up to 100 people. A prison that it has to be a prison. Andrew Holness spend more money on security than any other thing in a Jamaica. Let me tell you that. Andrew Holness spend most of the money in a security. And guess what? If Andrew Holness a bill or want to build prison, my wisdom warriors, the prison when Andrew Holness say I go build is a private partnership. That means say the stakeholders them and the investors them have to get paid. They have to get paid. So you know what that mean? Crime now go stop. Crime now go stop because they can't have a prison and the prison empty, you know. Let me tell you now. They can't have a prison and the prison empty. So I don't know what this woman here before I encourage Andrew Holness to come out and build up things for the youth and focus on the health care. This woman here I come out and I tell Andrew Holness about build prison. Lady, you know see how much prison Andrew Holness have built already? You know see say the health care is failing. You know see say the health care is failing. You know see say the health care they not even have generator. Lady, this human rights make me sick. Me can't stand no. When you come out and speak up, you now come out and write it all chat. When you come out and talk about the missing pitney them, talk about Delroy Chuck for release, the sexual offender registry. You now come out. You same one out here talking about Andrew Holness for build prison. Before you go and talk about the missing pitney and tell Delroy Chuck for publish the sexual offender list. Before you come out and tell Delroy, no, my wisdom warriors, these human rights in a Jamaica no mean we well. Me tell you that. No, them no mean we well because of them same one tell the government say if you do not publish nothing. Them are the same one we come out and tell the government if you not publish nothing. Me not understand. Me tell you something. Building this prison, a private partnership prison, Andrew Holness say I go build. Private partnership prison. I may explain it to you already. Lady, you know, sister, we economy a fail. You know, sister, Nigel Clark destabilize the country, lady. You know, sister, inflation gone up. It come like on a blind out here a chat about. Hey, my wisdom warrior, sometimes they get me, mad sometimes, you know. Me I tell you, you know. They get me upset, you know. They not see how one tomato alone for $618. You don't see that? One tomato, one dege tomato. You don't see when Nigel Clark do to the country, you make Andrew Holness out here. A trick on a contract, or you can one like Andrew Holness, I do good for Jamaica. Good with spot. All with money devalue. You don't see what is going on in Jamaica. This is why inflation go up. This is why inflation going up. You understand? This man come and destabilize the country, Nigel Clark. Look what him do to the economy. I want to make Andrew Wallace a check on with 100 bus and 100 garbage truck. Like, see, come on. I want to been still now remove from the yard on time. Tell me. That makes sense? That makes sense. I'll own a taxi man. Me tell you something. You better start protest from now. Because when you hear Andrew Wallace come out and talk about him bus them when I go put all over the island. Hey, me sorry for you. No for you soul out of job. No for you taxi driver go out of job. You stay there and stand up on your feet. And no more prisoner bill. No more prison is not going to bill. Use the money and do something constructive. Where you can keep the youth them busy. You understand? Enough of the youth them don't even have a trade. Build up something like one trade center. Something, do something. Babsy Grange get how much? 31 million US dollar from Canada. Canada give her money and say a for activity for the youth them, for the vulnerable youth them. Where that the money there? Where is that money, Babsy Grange? Where is that money, Andrew Holness? You don't know. You want to take the money and do? You not spend the money upon the youths them. You not spend the money upon the youths them. And this is why me have to lick out against you all the time. This is why me have to lick out against you. Because right now, inflation is high, sky high, my wisdom warriors. You understand? Inflation is high. Inflation will go up and I go up and I go up. You understand? And our country is going downhill and a lot of people feel for see. Don't let Nigel Clark IMF fool you know. Don't let it fool you know, because of that them want. Because then sister you don't really understand what is going on. Then sister you don't understand, my wisdom warriors, what is going on. A lot of people don't understand it. And a lot of people are go sorry. That's why I tell you, say, don't vote for Andrew Holness. Because Andrew Holness only think about security forces. Andrew Holness don't think about health. Andrew Holness don't think about health. Look what going on Bustamante Hospital. There is no generator. Can you imagine? And these people say they want digitalize Jamaica. Come on. Come on. Just come on. Just look into these things. No electricity. And they don't have a backup plan. They don't have a backup plan. How can you don't have a backup plan? You're supposed to have plan A and plan B. And you don't have plan B. And also, me hear about Cornwall Hospital. Say Cornwall Hospital don't have a generator. It is alleged. Let me use that term. It is alleged. You understand? So when electricity gone, it just gone. That's it. Them have to wait. The hospital, them need generator. You don't need to spend money in the hospital, them. Buy equipment. Buy resources. You understand? Me now hear the amount of millions of dollars Andrew only spend on crime and violence. And the crime will get worse. Me not see put that effort into the health care. Let me tell you, Jamaican people, health come before wealth. Because you can have your wealth. If you're sick, your wealth mean nothing to you. Because what's the point of having the wealth but you can't do nothing? Come on. Health is before wealth. And to what me see it, Andrew Holness no care none at all. This man don't care none at all whatsoever. You have a hospital like Bustamante Hospital and you don't have a generator, and then people out here talk about PNP. Is PNP in government? Someone full labor right. Is PNP in government? You talk, you come like you sick in on your head. You need to get facts. You need to get facts. And stop look for 100 bus. Because when I look for 100 bus, you know what will happen? As I said before, the taxi man, them go out. We're not going to see what go on. We're not going to see. Now stay there and fix up on the folly ground. Jamaica, me I tell you no, me I use my platform and encourage you no. Do not vote for Andrew Holness administration, else you're not going to suffer. This needs thing, a Jamaica alone I do it. You hear me? And then them a try trick on and talk about biometric. No, don't listen to them. I lie them I tell. You understand? That I got enslave we back in a slavery. That is what is going to happen, my wisdom warriors. So may I encourage you, do not vote for Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness is a no zone. We not go there so. We not go there so. Because we're in a debt. We're in a debt. We country in a debt, my wisdom warriors. You understand? How we going to get out of this one? On the things such as Nigel Clark, Nigel Clark, I lend me money. Eh? And even if Nigeria clock lend me money, you know what that mean? This is why we don't have no resources left, because they sell out every blasted thing. Them sell out everything. My wisdom warriors, want to tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, if you want to join the WhatsApp group, all you have to do is text yes to 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.